Hey everyone, if you love fresh, perfectly peeled, cored, and sliced apples, or even potatoes and pears, then you're going to absolutely love what I'm about to show you today. This is the Femedo apple peeler slicer corer with stainless steel blades and a powerful suction base. Trust me, this little kitchen powerhouse is a total game changer. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can just peel apples the old-fashioned way. But here's the thing, manually peeling, coring, and slicing takes forever, creates a mess, and can even be a little dangerous with sharp knives. This solves your problem like this. In just seconds, you can have perfectly prepared fruits or vegetables for pies, salads, snacks, or even fun fruit platters without any of the hassle. Let's talk about why this gadget is so incredible. First off, the quality and durability are next level. The femedo apple peeler is crafted from ultra-strong die-cast alloy and 304 stainless steel blades. That means it's sturdy, reliable, and won't rust or corrode over time. It's built to last for years, even if you use it regularly. Next up, the operation is super simple. You've got 3 ways to use it. You can peel, core, and slice, or do all 3 at once. This versatility is perfect if you're prepping for a big family dessert, making a healthy snack, or just saving time in the kitchen. And here's a feature that sets it apart from any other peeler, the powerful suction base. Simply press it firmly onto any smooth or non-porous surface, flip the lever, and boom, it stays in place while you work. No slipping, no sliding, just smooth, effortless operation. Now, let's be honest, this isn't just about apples. This peeler works perfectly with pears, potatoes, and even other firm fruits and veggies. So whether you're prepping for an apple pie, a healthy snack, or a fun fruit salad, this tool saves you so much time and effort. Here's a quick overview of the key features you'll love. High-quality materials. Ultra-strong die-cast alloy body with 304 stainless steel blade for long-lasting durability. Point 3. Way operation. Peel, core, and slice individually or all at once to match your recipe needs. Powerful suction base stays firmly in place on any smooth surface for safe, hands-free operation. Versatile use, perfect for apples, pears, potatoes, and more. Great for pies, snacks, salads, and healthy treats. Hassle-free customer service. 100% refund within 5 years if you're not satisfied. What I love most is how this tool solves your problem instantly. No more struggling with knives, no more wasted time, no more messy countertops. It's efficient, safe, and even fun to use. Honestly, whether you're a busy parent, a cooking enthusiast, or someone who just loves quick, hassle-free food prep, the Femedo Apple Peeler Slicer Corer is going to make your life so much easier. The combination of durability, ease of use, and versatility really sets it apart from anything else on the market. So here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description below and grab yours today. Don't wait. Your kitchen deserves this upgrade. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more tips, reviews, and gadgets that make life easier. Don't miss out. Grab yours today.